Today we're going to look at dividing two-digit numbers by one-digit number. This number is 68. It's a two-digit number, and this number here is 2. So you should have watched the previous video before watching this video. If you did not, please watch the previous video. The link to the video is in the description of this video if you're watching it on YouTube. So we learned that we use this formula called divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and that is the formula that you use every time you're dividing. In these problems that we're doing, we're not going to have any numbers left over. Those numbers left over are called remainders, but we're not going to talk about that today. So let's look at the first one. So we have 68 divided by 2. So we have to divide every number. So we're going to start with the 6. So how many groups of 2 can be made in 6? That's going to be 3. Because 2 times 3 is 6. So we're going to, we divide it. Now we have to multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. So I multiplied. Now I need to subtract. Minus 6 minus 6 is 0. So I subtracted. Now I need to bring down. Bring down the 8. I did the bring down. Now I have to start all over again. I'm going to delete or erase. So now I have to divide 8 by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Now I need to subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. So the answer is 34. Let's do the next one. We have, let's erase this first. We have 82 divided by 2. So we have to divide every number, and we start with the number that is farthest to the left. So 8, we have to divide, so cross out D. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. I have to multiply. To multiply 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Now I have to subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now I have to bring down. I'm going to bring down the 2. Now I have to start all over again with dividing. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now I have to multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. Then I have to subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. So my answer is 41. So we start with the number that's to the farthest left. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then we have to multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. Now we have to subtract with the subtract sign. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now I have to bring down. Now I have to start all over again. I'm going to erase this. So 6 divided by 3, or how many 3's can go into 6, is 2. Divided. Now I have to multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. Leaves me with 0. So my answer is 12. Here we have 50 divided by 5. So we're going to start with the number that's farthest to the left. So we're going to start with division. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. I have to subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now I have to bring down the 0. Now 5 cannot go into 0. So if 5 goes into 0, 0 times. So our answer is 10. Let's look at the next one. 30 divided by 3. We start with the number that's farthest to the left. So let's erase this first. So we have 3 divided by 3, which is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, so we divided and we multiplied. Now we need to subtract. 3 minus 3 is 0. I'm going to bring down the 0. Then we'd have to start all over again. Then we need to do 0 divided by 3. And we can't do 0 divided by 3, so our answer is going to be 0. The final answer is 10. Look at another one. We have 70 divided by 7. So let's start with dividing. 7 divided by 7 is 1. We have to multiply. 1 times 7 is 7. Now we have to subtract. 7 minus 7 is 0. Now we have to bring down to 0. Then we have to start all over again. 7 divided by 0, or 0 divided by 7, we can't do. 0, so our answer is 10. Let's do one last one. So we have 40 divided by 4. We're going to start dividing with the 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. We have to multiply. 1 times 4 is 4. Now we have to subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now we have to bring down the 0. Then we have to start the process all over again. Now we do 0 divided by 4, which we can't do. So we put a 0 here. So our answer is 10. If you want to do more practice, please print out the worksheet attached to this video and then watch the video and do the worksheet while you watch it or do it independently. That's our lesson for today. Good job.